Hey guys, I'm actually editing this video right now, but I wanted to introduce myself just in case you're new here. My name is Lacey and I post a lot of food related videos, recipes, and grocery hauls. So if you're into that, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Toast and coffee has been a go-to for me lately. So I have some Dave's Killer Bread and I toasted it and I'm putting some Jif peanut butter on it. I do buy like sugar-free, oil-free peanut butter, but I just can't get used to it on a sandwich yet. So what I have here is a banana. I'm just chopping it up and putting it on top. It's so good. And my go-to is Stok cold brew. It's just so smooth and I tend to have that iced all the time. I always add this protein, well, it's a collagen protein powder. It does dissolve, but I have to whisk it in my coffee so it doesn't clump up. In my smoothies, I just kind of throw it in the blender, and it's not flavored, so it doesn't mess with, your creamer or anything like that. My favorite creamer is the Coffee Mate Natural Bliss line in the vanilla flavor. This stuff is so good. It's made with real milk and cream and has no carrageenan. And this is my simple go-to breakfast. Donuts are an absolute favorite thing of mine. I am a lover of all bread desserts. So I'm hungry. It's been maybe like 2 hours and I'm ready to eat again. So I'm gonna have this sugar donut and enjoy it. I'm gonna make an acai bowl because I finally found some at Target, and this one is the one without added sugar. I always try to look for it at Wegmans and it's always sold out. So I'm gonna put 2 of the little packets in the blender here with a banana, and I'm gonna add some milk to it and a scoop of peanut butter. I also found some flax seeds, so I added that to it and I'm just gonna blend that up, and that's gonna be the base for the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead also and put some in that little cup for my daughter. So now I just top it off with some bananas, strawberries, blueberries, almonds, and coconut flakes. And I have here some Quaker granola for some crunch. And this is it, guys. If you haven't tried making this at home, I suggest you do. It's so good and obviously a lot less expensive. For dinner, I am making some teriyaki salmon. So I have the salmon here with some salt, some of that seasoning blend, and I have a little bit of avocado oil in there and I'm just searing it. And I made my own teriyaki sauce, which is just soy sauce, brown sugar, and then some cornstarch and water, and I just whisk it up. And I'm gonna add some of that to it, and you gotta let it come to a boil so that it actually thickens. Now I'm gonna add a lot of chopped garlic. I cooked up some white rice in my rice maker with a beef bouillon, and I also have some sauteed onions in there, some steamed broccoli, and I'm adding some soy sauce to it, and I'm just gonna fry all that up together. And this is it, guys. I asked my husband to go to the Chinese place after work and pick up some egg rolls and some crab rangoons, and it was just like the perfect touch to dinner. I'm having this AHA sparkling water, which I've been really into lately, and that was dinner. And that was all I ate today, guys. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.